This is my NotebookLM workflow to create any $2,000 course, and it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. You'll know how to turn scattered information across the internet into a structured syllabus that can level up your skills before Monday so you can stand out at work, serve your clients better, or just improve yourself. And I'm not talking about the typical low-ticket course that you can find online. I'm talking about collegiate level courses with summaries, notes, and even quizzes to help you process the information faster. The first thing we need to do is to collect the content that we're going to use for our course. And so this involves you knowing who you want to learn from. So let's just say that you want to start and grow your own business, and maybe you've heard about the Harvard Business Review. And so let's go to YouTube and let's search for them. Once you're at the channel, you want to go to videos, and then you want to sort them by popular. And the reason I do this is because I'm looking for the videos that the YouTube community has found the most valuable on this channel. You perhaps might want to take a different approach, and maybe you just want to focus on the latest videos so it's their most up-to-date thinking about business, or maybe you want to take a different approach and go with their oldest videos to understand how they used to view business. I personally feel that using the popular filter gives you a good mix of the most recent content that's really good in everybody's eyes, but also a couple of those older videos that are outliers like the ones we see on the screen right now. The next thing you're going to do is go to this NotebookLM extension right here and click on it, and then click create new notebook. What this is going to do is automatically import 300 of the most popular videos from the top going down into a single notebook. If you don't have NotebookLM Plus because you aren't subscribed to Google AI or you aren't subscribed to Google Workspace, then it's only going to import 50 videos. If you want to use the same extension that I just used, go to the Chrome web store and type in NotebookLM, and you'll see this YouTube to NotebookLM extension. Add this extension to Chrome because not only is it going to save you so much time, but it's going to open up an entirely new world of learning inside of NotebookLM. And now we're going to run a very simple prompt, and this is all that it says. Create a structured learning path from all my sources for the subject of starting and growing an online business. Include modules, lessons, and exercises. And now Gemini 2.5 Flash is going through all 300 of their most popular videos, understanding the information, and creating a structured learning environment for us inside of this notebook. Now we have a 3-module course. Module 1, the foundation of online entrepreneurship. Module 2 is strategy and market understanding. And we have Module 3, product development and technology, with several lessons within each of these. And if you want to save this outline somewhere so that you have a physical or a digital copy outside of your NotebookLM, then I suggest saving it as Markdown, because this is going to save the actual structure of the outline. And after you've created that syllabus, the next thing you want to do is come to the left side where your sources are, click on Add, choose File, and then if you look right here where my cursor is, you can see that I added the Harvard Business Review outline that we created right here, so that once this conversation closes, I have my syllabus as a source document to keep my learning structured always. So now I'm going to refresh the chat, and this is going to disappear. Let's work through this course, and let's start with lesson 1. Let's begin with lesson 1.1, the entrepreneurial mindset and motivation, which is the first lesson in module 1, foundations of online entrepreneurship, of the structured learning path for starting and growing an online business. If you hover over the citation, it's always going to give you the exact text and where it came from. There is practically zero hallucination inside of NotebookLM. So if you're a serious researcher, educator, or a professional learner, NotebookLM is something that you have to start using immediately. But let's look at this exercise for lesson 1.1, emotional agility practice. For 1 week, practice the 4 steps of emotional agility. Recognize patterns in your thoughts, feelings. 2, label them. I'm having thoughts that. 3, accept them. And 4, act in line with your values. You should journal your experiences. So let's assume that this exercise is interesting to me, but it's very shallow. I can say something like, I want to explore emotional agility in more detail. And this time is going to give us a much more detailed examination of emotional agility as well as references. And we come here to this reference number 1. I'm going to double click on it, and you can see that it opened up a full transcript. Come to where it says source guide and click on the down arrow to open and get a summary. But also make sure you do this one very particular thing. Scroll down and you'll see the YouTube video right here. So now, instead of me watching YouTube after YouTube video and having these ideas come at me from random spots on the internet, I can watch YouTube videos in a structured, organized format and know that I'm not just watching content to be watching it. And as you can see, the video plays right here inside of NotebookLM. And so now not only am I able to watch this video about emotional agility for entrepreneurs inside of my NotebookLM notebook, I'm also able to create different educational assets to help me practice and get better in this regard. First, I can customize my own quiz to test my retention of the information. And in this quiz, I can ask fewer or more questions, or I can raise the difficulty level from easy, medium to hard. And NotebookLM even gives me a small space to customize this quiz. Write the quiz in such a way that it doesn't give away the answers by using terms directly from the video. I want to know that I understand the concepts regardless of the shape, size, or form that they come in. And then I click generate, and it's going to write the quizzes based on my requests. And actually it's generating the quiz based on 301 sources. And I see that there are 301 sources here. So has Google updated the NotebookLM upload limit? But in addition to creating a quiz, I can also create flashcards, easy, medium, or hard. And if I want to, I can add in certain things that I want about the flashcards, or I can just click generate. And so when we open up the business quiz, you can see that we have a multiple choice questionnaire of 15 questions. I'm going to go with B. It says the wrong answer. This is the right answer. And so you could just go through these one after the other, and it's going to let you know what the right answer is, what the wrong answer is, and you can test your knowledge. But let's just say that you really don't understand the information after watching the video, reading through the summary that NotebookLM has created, quizzing yourself, going through the flashcards. Then what you want to do is to create an audio overview. Now, when you create an audio overview, there are different ways that you can do this. It can become a deep dive. It can be a brief. It can be a critique where an expert review of your sources offering constructive feedback to help you improve your material. Now, this one is underrated because a lot of times with artificial intelligence, it's a yes man. And so the ability to get critique, that constructive criticism that doesn't just align with everything that you're reading, is invaluable, especially in NotebookLM, because it's very easy to end up in a vacuum, because you essentially are inside of a vacuum. So as long as you have great resources for your notebook, you're fine. But if not, just use critique or even use debate, a thoughtful debate between two hosts illuminating different perspectives on your sources. This one is the best if you want to make certain that you understand the ideas that are being shared and whether you agree with them or not. Because it's not just about taking in the information inside the notebook, but also forming your own independent ideas to help you become better. And once again, you're able to enter a very small prompt so that the audio overview is focused specifically on whatever you want it to be created around. So for instance, I may say, I want this to focus specifically on the first principle of emotional agility. But now let's say we open our business flashcards based on the 301 sources. To get more done in less time, you should structure tasks around your energy peaks, which for most people means peak alertness before blank, an energy dip after lunch, and the second win in the late afternoon. And then I'm going to say peak alertness before breakfast. See answer? Before noon. Okay. And if I want an explanation for this answer, all I have to do is click explain, and NotebookLM is going to explain it inside of the chat. And when it explains it, it doesn't just give you a basic paragraph. It's giving you a full detailed breakdown of the answer. I can export this so that I have it independently saved, or I can save it as a note, and it's going to be tucked away over here to the right in the studio. And if you want, again, you can click on one of these citations and it's going to open up up another YouTube video so that you're watching the content that you want to watch right here inside of NotebookLM. You're creating quizzes, flashcards, mind maps, audio overviews, video overviews, different types of reports that you can create all right here from one single learning environment. And if you got this far in the video, then I'm pretty sure that you can see that this absolutely replaces $2,000 courses. You can learn anything right here inside of NotebookLM using YouTube videos that are freely available to everyone. And so this weekend, download the Chrome extension, sit down at your laptop, go to YouTube, find somebody that you want to learn from, create a notebook, import their videos, and then create your own syllabus and start learning what you need to learn to get better at work, improve yourself, or just become a better content creator. If you got value out of the video, make sure you hit the like button or hype the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, take care, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.